All right, this week we're going to be in 2 Corinthians 6, starting in verse 14 through chapter 7, 1. And the primary focus of this section is living a holy life. And Paul's going to go in and he's going to talk about being unequally yoked with unbelievers. And everybody always puts that to marriage. You know, don't marry somebody who's not of the same faith and such like that. And that's true, but it goes beyond that. It goes beyond our daily life. And you say, well, aren't we supposed to, reach the lost in the last few weeks? Of course we are. But the key is we live a separate life. And you say, well, how is that possible? Well, Jesus would be our perfect example of living a separate life. Did Jesus associate with the woman that was caught in adultery? Did he minister to her? Well, yes. Did he commit adultery with her? Well, no. What about the woman at the well who had 5 husbands and was living with a guy? Did he minister to her? Of course he did. Did he associate with her and did he talk with her? Well, of course he did. Did he become husband number 7 or 6 or whatever number she was on? No, of course not. What about Zacchaeus, the tax collector? It's like, Zacchaeus, come down from that tree or we're going to have supper at your house tonight. Did Jesus become a tax collector? No. All the times we see Jesus interacting, eating with sinners, associating with sinners, ministering to sinners, yet was without sin. And that should be our standard as well. We can minister to people. We can associate with people. We can be friends with people. But we don't have to participate in the sin. And let's be honest, don't we have enough of our own to deal with? Why would we want to get drug into somebody else's habit, somebody else's sinful lifestyle? So the point is, associate with, yes. Participate in, no. Draw a hard line with the participation. And we'll dig into this a lot more Sunday. Be sure to check that video out on YouTube. Have a good day.